Hello dear students of class 7. Today I am going to explain you your chapter number 1, The Time Machine. Okay, this is a story which is written by H.G. Wells, who is a famous novelist, journalist, writer. Okay, he has written many books based on science fiction actually. Okay, so what is the story about? As the name implies, the time machine. We can understand here we are talking about a machine which can help us to travel time. Clear? Means anybody can go back in past or anyone can go in future. Clear? See, this is not possible actually. We have never heard a true story where anybody travel time, okay? But everyone has a desire actually. We always has a desire to go back in past and correct the things which we have done, if anything wrong we have done, okay? And sometimes we are very eager to know what will happen in future. Clear? So we can't be a certain to say that in future I'll be like this or I will do this, okay? So there is a machine which is actually an imagination only, okay, which can help any person to travel time, okay, that is called time machine. There are many movies also based on this, okay, it's a science fiction idea. And this is a story written by H.G. Wells where there is one scientist who invented a time machine and got to know how to travel time. He went into the future and saw how was life in future. Okay, so we'll read what happened in the story. Did the scientist use his invention correctly? If he went to past, if he experiences his past or future, was he able to come back? Okay, this is a story actually. So let's start reading. When the time traveler told us about his invention, the time machine, none of us believed him. He always told his story with such a straight face. Straight face means with a serious face, we can say, that it was very difficult to know when he was playing a prank means a joke, and when he was being serious. So what is written actually, there is one person who is narrating the story and he is talking about one we can say time traveler. Here the name of scientist is not given, so you can just keep in mind the time traveler is actually a scientist only who discovered a machine, okay, that was called the time machine. So the time traveler was always telling stories, okay, and usually he used to tell stories about time machine which no one was believing, because he was always telling stories without a kind of a single expression on his face, or we can say the strong expressions on his face, that everyone believed that his stories were true, okay. Nobody could judge that he was just having a joke, he was just making others fool, or he was serious, okay. So this time also, when the time traveler was telling his story about time machine, how he traveled time, okay, nobody was believing him, okay. He could be so clever and cunning. Cunning means clever only, crafting we can say, that it was impossible for us to separate facts from lies. What is separate facts from lies? Meaning is that whenever the time traveler was telling his story, nobody could believe, nobody could judge to separate facts from lies. Means nobody could judge that he was telling a lie or it was a reality, okay. That is why at this previous dinner party, none of us had believed a word about the time machine. So previously, before some days or before 1 or 2 years, it's not mentioned in the story, the time traveler told his story about time machine, but the writer is saying no one believed his word, okay, that really he traveled time or not. Now a week had passed, and here we were again sitting once more around this table. Means before some days he told his story of time machine. Maybe he told his friends that I have invented a time machine, okay, I can travel time, I can go into past or see the future, whatever, okay. But no one believed. After 1 week, again he called his friends at a dinner party. Everybody was there at the dinner party and they were waiting for him only. All were sitting around the table. Ensconced, okay, ensconced means became comfortable. in the chairs that he had designed. So all were sitting around the dinner table on their chairs, and they were waiting for their host. Actually, host means who called for the dinner party, okay, who gave this party, actually, who called the people. The time traveler has kept us waiting for half an hour. For half an hour, all were waiting for the time traveler, okay. He had left a note telling us to start eating dinner if he hadn't returned by 7 o'clock. So, there on the table, there was a note which said that start dinner if I don't return by 7 o'clock. Okay, so all were expecting that their host would come back by 7 o'clock, but actually, he was not there. For half an hour, all were waiting, and then all started having dinner. Okay, so they were having their supper before the host came.